Hello and welcome to Learning Python for Beginners series. My name is Ashish and in today's video we are going to learn for while loops. Let's start with for loop. So if I write a list of fruits, then if I want to iterate over this list, what I can do is x in fruits, and I can use this x to print that element. Okay. So similarly, you can see I have printed apple, banana, cherry. Similarly, if I have tuple, then no need to change anything. I can simply use same for loop. So what if I have, let's say, dict? So the dict is like this. So yeah, so then I can write something like this. X key is x, and the value is from these fruits. I can access elements like this. So you can see key name is John. Sorry, key is name, value is John, and yeah, so key is age, value is 12. So this is how you can iterate over using for loop. You can iterate over dictionary also. So yeah, so this was about for loop, and so if I have range that we have seen equal to range in between 0 to 5, what I can do is I can simply use I print the value of x. So maybe I can use x plus x, it will give me addition. So yeah, so you can see that's printed x plus x value as iterated over this range. So this is about for loop in the range. So if I write just 5, then it will have same result. Okay, yeah, so this was about for loop. I can have nested for loop, y in j, and don't please remember, yeah, so you can see all combination here 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1 2 0, and yeah, so this is about nested for loop. You can have past statement and continue statement in your. So if I say if x is, so x is, let's say, 0, then continue here. So yeah, so you can see if x equal to 0, then we have skipped this print statement. So past statement is for reason that for loop has no content, then we will so suppose I have something like this, and if I try to run this, then yeah, it says that after for statement we need some code here. Okay, so for that, what I can do is I can simply write past statement. Okay, that's the reason we have past statement in Python. Okay, so let's come to while loop. So just like for loop, we can have conditional while loop like this. X is, while x is less than I, and while y is less than j, I will put 5. Here I will put 2. Yeah, so this is how I'm going to increment the value of x so that we will meet this terminating condition. Okay. Yeah. So this should work. Yeah. So this is how the loop is printed, and yeah. So this is same for loop, same output it has produced. And I can use break here like this. Okay, so even in for loop, so let's say if x equal to 3, then I want to break. Yeah. So you can see when x was equal to 3, this loop was we use break statement, and we came out of this loop. Okay. And similarly, I can do here if x is equal to, let's say, 1, then break. So let's talk about one more simple thing. That is, you can have else part here. You can print here. So I can have else part for while loop. Y is no longer less than z, something like, yeah. So you can see it prints and comes out of the loop. Okay, it is similar to having uh, without else statement. It will print every time, but here it is printing the last condition. So this block of code is executed once when the condition is no longer true. Okay, so this was about for loop. Okay, so thanks for watching my video. Please like, share, subscribe.